slide
5
the fancy stuff.
ext4 defaults 0, 0, I think. Well, you can kind of look up here. So this says, this is the, it's a little different here, but, because, thanks.
No.
So I would test that one.
How do you test it again?
Mount, dev, SDA5. And that,
Okay, now that works?
yeah.
Okay, so then for
Then you can do DF, and it shows this.
for the NTFS stuff, do I need to, how do you put, you just read the VFAT for this type?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
So in your SEF stab, instead of ext4, you put VFAT or NTFS.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm gonna do,
Gotta get the dark out before you
it's
can
kind
make
of
it.
weird, DOS. Okay. Yeah, this site's working.
Okay. Also, in some of the configurations, when I put the 16-bit on the,
It says 0, yeah.
it says there was like an error, there's a problem, it's too small, but it's fine.
You accepted something that you don't know.
That one submit, literally that was all I needed. So now that I had those.
Information us.
And
I
is
just
the
hope
auditor
that
review?
No, probably not.
My first thought is.
So send me an email, I'll turn it on.
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay, what questions can we go over? Troubleshooting, debugging.
For the test. For the quiz.
Can we just drop the file systems assignment, just not worry about it?
I would just try to log in.
We could, but we're still gonna have to test on it.
Can we just not do that too?
No.
Hey guys, I tried.
No final exam?
No final exam?
We could
A's
review for a quiz.
3 A's?
That might be fun. Yeah, that'd be good.
Review for the quiz. We've already done that. If you came every day, you would have been here for it.
Shots fired.
But we can in a minute, let's, yeah.
Could you test the registration?
Sure. So what's it doing or not doing, or what am I looking at?
I guess I haven't been able to test it yet.
Okay, so give me the address of your
Web server?
web server.
144, 38, 206, 203.
203?
Yeah.
So it's, what's it called?
IPv6.
We can't see. Oh, because I'm blind.
Dark blue and black.
Oh. Changed half of my passwords. I haven't changed all of them. So I want to do, I'm gonna make sure I'm on another machine that actually has IPv6 address. And see if that goes. It actually was able to resolve and grab a file, but that doesn't mean that it's, what I want to see is, IPv6. That's what we have. Okay, why? That looks correct. I'm able to ping your IP address. So why is it doing that? I was able to resolve, it just wasn't able to give me the right thing that I wanted. This doesn't have an address. Oh my gosh. Like I say, it's It's resolving, but it's not giving the right index page.
What was the server name for that virtual host? That's right.
Server name, document root, okay, here, we'll do this. Service. Could be something as easy as that. Yes. You need to restart Apache. So, looks like it's working. Cool, anyone else? Nothing? Do we need to do any more on file systems?
So CF disk is to open up the app partitions, block ID shows like the UUID and all that kind of stuff.
Yep.
Mount is just a mount, unmount, unmount. Is there any other commands that we? I think that's all.
Is that what
Talk
Chris is on
pro.
today?
Actually, I don't know.
That's interesting. I don't remember.
I was thinking about the.
Oh, so, okay, it's actually, but yeah, so, on the one I was just in on, is it Chris, is that right? The one I was on over here, as you look at the F-stab, oh, you, great.
I already filled it.
Awesome. But what I was gonna show, and on all of yours, you're gonna see something like this. So the UUID is a unique identifier that identifies every partition. That's one way of identifying a partition. The other way of identifying a partition is doing like dev SDA5. And if you look back on my slides, the main reason for doing the UUID was, I guess really if they take a disk out and put it back in, we want to make sure that it's not, maybe we want to have control over what partition it's assigned and where we're mounting it to. So if I, for example, would say BLKID dev SDA5, it gives me a UUID. So I could have alternatively in the fstab file, I could have taken that line and put it in right where that's at.
And that's a more robust way of doing it.
Uh-huh.
So if we're doing
I'm lazy, don't I?
we're doing it in a professional sense, so we want it to be pretty, and drives are coming in and out, we definitely want to use that.
Yep, yep. So, yes, BLKID gives us the unique identifier for that, drive, or for that partition. So I've still had a couple questions coming over the last few days on file systems. So if we need to do any other file systems type stuff, actually let's just talk for 1 second. So step one, what is it? Create partition. How do we do that? What tool?
CF disk.
So CF disk, that's the one I've been using in class. There are several other tools. You can actually use F disk and that works. Step two, what do you do after you create the partition? Yes, I'm going to run part probe first, or reboot the machine so that it can reread the file system table. Yeah.
So I'm just a little confused on here. It says that all file systems should have a type of Linux file system, but then aren't we creating like ext4 file system and VPAT? Like, so what's the difference?
Which assignment? On the file systems assignment?
Got the second one. So the description.
Isn't that just
On the
type?
second file systems assignment.
It's yeah, the type in CF disk doesn't really
Oh yeah.
matter, right?
It doesn't, okay, so I probably should just take it out because the type you choose there doesn't matter in CF disk.
Okay, yeah, it's like right there.
Why doesn't it matter?
Oh, Linux file system.
Why did it
It's just legacy stuff. It used to matter, but nowadays doesn't. Okay, after you do part probe, then you do what? Format it. What commands do we use for that?
MKFS.
MKFS, whatever, right? ext4, or VFAT, or NTFS, or goes on. You could, depending on what other types of file system you're doing. Then, after we do that, what do?
Mount.
Like create
Mount?
the directories.
Oh yeah, okay, fine. Create
Directories, yeah.
mount points, right? or directories, however you wanna say that. Number 5, mount,
Now to that directory.
yeah, mount to this, and number 6,
Step.
fstab.
I do fstab, and then I do a